In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these amazing wasp traps. We're making these because the store-bought ones don't attract the ones that eat our grapes. So we are making this. All you need to make these wasp traps are apple juice, Dawn dish soap, pipe cleaners, nut pick, scissor, and a water bottles. And a packet of yeast. So the first step is we need to pitch this yeast. And we need water for 100 degrees. So we're gonna heat it about for 20 seconds in the microwave. It's important to use apple cider without preservatives, or else the yeast won't work.
KK won't let me pour, but if you think I can make my own mistakes in my videos, please leave a few comments below. Now the water's at 100 degrees. Let's pitch the yeast. I need to cover the water with as much yeast as possible.
This is going to sit in the water for 10 minutes for it to activate.
Take the cap off to make the bottle cutting easier. The bottle goes upside down. Try's poking a hole in the top of the bottle. Dip the pipe cleaner in the top of the hole.
So now we pour our yeast into this. We need to mix it.
Can you believe they won't let me pour again? And now, add 1 drop of Dawn. Again, if you think I can do my own stunts, please leave a comment below.
can hang them on branches, wire, whatever.
Straws.
Just like this. So, we're gonna twist and twist and twist and twist. Until it's just like that.
Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead, click it now. We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you.